explain this, right? In a row of girls facing north, A is 14 from the left. So let us assume this is left end. A is 14 from the left end, right? A is 14 from the left end, and B is 17 from the right. B 17 from the right. Again the same problem. When we say B 17 from the right, is B between the right end and A or between the left end and A, right? Because 17 from the right can fall here or it can fall here also. Okay, so read the next point, that will probably help you. C, who is third to the right of A. C is third to the right of A. Now because A is already fixed, we can find out C's position. C is third to the right of A. C is third to the right of A. Right of A is our right because persons are facing north. Remember, persons are facing north. So C is third to the right of A. Means what? If A is 14th, C will be 17th from the left. Yes or no? A is 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th. C is 17, right? 15th, 16th, C will be the 17th person. Right? So C is 17th from left. So C, who is third to the right of A, is also 6th to the left of B. Remember, C is 6th to the left of B. So if you look at the position of C, it is third to the right of A and 6th to the left of B. If C is 6th to the left of B, B is to the right of A. If C is 6th to the left of B, then B will be the right of A. B will be to the right of C. C is 6th to the left of B. So definitely B will be 6th to the right of C. So B will come in this direction, right? So let's say B comes somewhere here. Okay. And B is 6th to the right of C, right? C is 6th to the left of B, which means B is 6th to the right of C. Now 6th to the right of C means what? C is 17th. So what will be the position of B? 23rd. Right? The position of B will be 23rd from left. 23rd, right? C is 17th. So 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. B's position will be 23rd from left end. We also know that B is 17 from the right. B is 17 from the right. So from the right end, B's position is 17th. Alright, so you know the same position from both ends, right end and left end. How will you find out total number of persons? 23 plus 17 minus 1. So this gives you 40 minus 1, 39.